Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome to today's vlog. I just want to start today's video by thanking each and every one of you guys who watch my videos. Merry Christmas to you and your family. And I just want to express my feelings, and I really enjoy making these vlogs, and having you guys comment, like, or subscribe really motivates me to continue doing this. I just really like the process of building my cars and kind of sharing my life, and I hope you guys are having a great holidays. Enjoy today's video. Today we're going to be installing what's probably going to be my absolute favorite part for my Supra. And a lot of you guys may disagree, but I think this is a part that really is going to make my car distinct and unique from other Supras that you might see. Some of you guys might already be doing stuff like this, but I'm really excited. So in my last vlog, you guys saw that I dialed in the fitment for the A90 Supra on the KW V3 Coilovers and the TE37s, which the rears were just a tad bit low, but I just wanted to show you guys really quickly. I did raise the rears by 1/4 inch, and I think they are perfect now. When I roll down the curb off my driveway, I'm not rubbing anymore. So I think we're all good for alignment, and I can finally start enjoying this car. But check this out real quick. I will show you how it currently looks. And it's pretty much a perfect finger gap now. Oh, freaking love it. I mean, it did look really good with it maxed out, but my tires were just rubbing way too much. And I think I'm gonna be better off with these. If they had Sagas, TE37 Sagas and 19s, I probably would have done it, but I didn't like the look of the SLs. So I ended up going with the Sagas. Give you guys a full walk around before we unbox this new part and quickly install it. And then this is the other side. Looks so good. I'm so excited. I got my little doggies hanging outside with me today. Macho, Kilo, come here. Kilo, show them. Kilo, and then there's Macho back there. What we are gonna be installing, piece 1 of 2, is this kit license plate. If you guys had followed my M4 build, I actually was able to purchase this kit license plate for retail last year, and I ran it on my car. And when I parted out the M4, I actually had no intentions of selling it. Somebody came and bought my equal length mid pipe. He saw that I had the license plate and offered me so much money. He offered me first 300, I said no. He offered me 400, I said no. He offered me 500, and I couldn't say no. So I did end up selling it to him. And that night I had instant regret. I think, you know, little pieces like this really make your car special. But I think little pieces like this make a car special. I was super sad. I would try to text him, buy it back, because I found out on StockX it was a lot more expensive to actually buy a brand new one. So little did I know, I was sad, I didn't purchase it, but my wife, she ended up putting a bid on this that took like a month for somebody to accept. We ended up purchasing this thing again for $498 after tax and fees through StockX. So basically, I got 2 free McChickens. But we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna show you guys my vanity plate. So let's go grab that real quick. It's gonna say Supra Saiyan, guys. I am so excited about this. I'm a super weeb. If you guys follow me on IG or you see my YouTube page, my username is Vegeta. I'm a big Vegeta fan, so when I saw that Saiyan was available, I had to get it. So today we're gonna go ahead and put these two together, and I'll show you guys the final product real quick. I feel like an idiot and kind of embarrassed that I'm wearing this Saiyan costume. I am so happy with this vanity plate that I got. I think, you know, the vanity plate and the license plate frame is definitely something that distinguishes and makes your car unique. Anybody can throw TE37s on them, their cars, coilovers or airbags, or even an exhaust. But the vanity plate is always something, or the license plate is always something that's different on every single car. When I had the custom license plate on my M4, I always saw people driving behind me take pictures of it, and I can't wait to get some reactions out of this. Let me know if you guys think this is worth it, if this was silly. I don't care, because I'm gonna do me. But thank you so much everybody for watching my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed today's quick install. If you guys watched it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'd appreciate if you guys commented, liked, or subscribed. It really helps out my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.